Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to add like, subscription and bell button on your videos, and you could do this on your cell phone. So let's get started. So first open the Kinemaster app, then select plus, then select A to aspect ratio which is 16:9, then select the video you want to upload. Then select the location where you want to put your like, subscription and bell button. Select the location. Now you need to download 1 megabyte file, which I will include on the description. So download those files in order to do that. Now press layer and find the video you just downloaded. Now to remove the green screen, select the green screen videos. Then go to chroma key and enable that. And made it to 50%. And then select the video again, then go to cropping and make it smaller. It's easier to drag and drop later. So let's play the video again. So here you have it. Now I'll show you how to add subscription and bell button with sound. Just follow the same step as you did on the first one. Now let's export the videos. Select 1080p and make sure the bitrate is also high. Wait for the export to finish. Then we launch the video. Thanks for watching, and if you have learned something from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you hate my stupid face, this like button works as well. Thank you.